it's April from April's Home, and today I thought I would share with you a few of the things that I picked up at Target and Target.com this past week. I've been getting a few things, of course, for the upcoming fall season, as well as some cleaning items that I needed to get going on my fall cleaning, as well as just a few household things. So I thought I would share with you some of the fun things that I picked up at Target. Again, I picked some of these up at Target in person, and some I purchased at Target.com, which I absolutely love using the Target app and shopping that way. It's made it very easy to shop at Target lately. So I picked up another bag of my laundry tablets. I like the OxiClean Arm & Hammer ones here with a little purple center. And then I got a big refill of the Grapefruit Smelling Method All-Purpose Cleaner. This is one of our favorites. Both my husband and I really enjoy the scent here of this grapefruit cleaner, and we just go through it constantly cleaning up. So it was nice that they had a big refill. I wanted to find my normal hand soap. My normal hand soap is the Milk and Honey one. I have not found that in many months now. I'm hoping they get it back in stock soon. I haven't found it at either Walmart or Target. I don't mind what brand I use. That's just the one I prefer for all of my little soap dispensers. So I did find, though, this Classic Clean hand soap, which I thought would be just as fine to use. So I was really happy to get a refill. We recently opened the last of our other refills, so I knew it was definitely time to hunt one down. So I'm glad I found that. And again, also another thing I still haven't been able to find are the Clorox cleaning wipes. We did find this one here. My husband uses these for work to wipe things down and clean things down. So this one, he really liked the scent of lemon and mint. So we picked up that one. And then I also picked up these to have on hand, like in the car. They had these little tiny packs of lemon scented disinfecting wipes. I'm really on the lookout for some of the Clorox wipes though, or even store brand would be just fine too. So definitely need to hunt more of those down. I still have a few left, and it was nice to find these little packets. And then I needed new kitchen sponges. So for the most part, we're really stocked up on cleaning supplies. So we really just needed this. Again, I've been doing most of my ordering on Target.com for all of my household goods like this, but since I was in store, I went ahead and picked up the items that I needed. And then moving on to some fun snacks here. This is one of my favorite Good & Gather freeze-dried fruit blends. This has cherry, blueberry, and grapes. My favorite freeze-dried fruit are the red seedless grapes. So it was nice to find a mix with all of those in it. I love the freeze-dried grapes, but I also really love the cherries and blueberries. So this is a really great mix, and this is the Good & Gather brand, which I absolutely love their freeze-dried fruit snacks. Then I picked up this. It says it's new. It's a sparkling cranberry juice, so I thought that would be wonderful. And then also I picked up some of the Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice. This I picked up for my daughter-in-law. She had, we had some of the dark chocolate sea salt caramel sitting out here, and she really enjoyed it, but she said if we ever found it in milk chocolate, she would probably love that too. So we're gonna surprise her with that. And then of course we can't leave the dogs out of snacks, so we have their favorite marrow snacks that we use as little rewards throughout the day. And then we got a couple fun ones here for the fall. This one is the baked pumpkin and cinnamon. I already opened this one up. They absolutely love it, and they smell really delicious when you take them out of the bag. And then this is one that they also really enjoy, apples and yogurt. So a few treats for the dogs. And then I got some new fall blend Keurigs, little K-cups for the fall. I picked up some Sharpies, and I'll move down here to the end and show you some of the other school supply type, office supply type things. We don't need any school supplies anymore now that the kids are all grown up, but I did need some office and craft supplies. These I ordered on Target online. So I got this wonderful guillotine trimmer, the swing line one here, and I'm really super excited about that. I have regular paper cutters, but when I'm working on some of the Sunday school crafts, which hopefully I'll get back to being able to teach that in person, but yes, when I'm preparing lots of papers and need to cut them down, a paper trimmer like this I thought would come in really handy. I also have a bunch of journaling and scrapbooking projects coming up for myself this fall. So I thought this would be a really fun tool to add to my set of supplies. And then just for around the house, we've needed some big black markers. So I thought I would try this Crayola extra large poster marker. and the Sharpie Magnum. Hopefully those will do the trick for nice big black markers. And then I also got these extra large ink tank regular Sharpies. We use these for labeling things all around the house. We like to label the food in our pantry and also like soda pop out in the garage so we know when its expiration date is. So it's good to have these around. Also just for regular labeling and things. And then again, for some of my journaling projects and scrapbooking projects, I needed some more sheet protectors. So I got this heavyweight Avery brand of 100 pack of the page protectors. And then I got a bunch of paper. Absolutely love the colors of Astro Brights. I love putting this through my printer and printing out little activities that I have, both for my Sunday school class as well as any lists that I need to print out. So I got this big pack of Astro Brights, this one of cardstock in like the primary colors, this pastel cardstock. I love both the regular paper and the cardstock. This one is in all these bright neon colors, which I thought was really fun. And another pack of these here, just the regular paper in all the colors of the rainbow, including some of the brights in there. So again, the Astro Brights colors are really wonderful. Great for crafting, scrapbooking, journaling, all that sort of stuff. So picked up that. And then in the center here, I have some fun seasonal items. Some of these my daughter picked up for me and some I found at the store when I was there. My daughter picked up this apple orchard sign for me. We thought it would look really cute by the apple tree. And also these little pumpkins here that look like sweater material. And then a couple little blue trucks. I was going to decorate in blue, and I thought these might look cute. I can't remember if I have 2 blue trucks from last year, so I thought I'd pick these up though while they had them. This is the new design of their little blue trucks. Still not 100% sure how I'm going to settle in on my fall decor. I'm going to be looking through my early fall decor this week, hopefully, and get that up by September 1st. That's the goal. I thought this little broom from the dollar spot was really cute. I couldn't resist that. I think brooms are just really super cute. So I picked up that just to have as a little accent piece. Probably I'll put that away for Halloween. And again, I'm trying to stay away from too much of the seasonal decor this year. I wanted to be on a really no buy or low buy for it. Of course, a few things I just can't resist. So I am picking up a few things like pumpkins, and I probably will have to run to Hobby Lobby for some floral accents, but otherwise I'm going to shop the rest of my stash. Hopefully I can be good and not purchase too many more. I have so much decor, I definitely don't need too much. But these 2 chickens, I definitely couldn't resist. When my daughter was shopping, she sent me a picture, and I said, oh, definitely pick those up for me. I love chickens, and I have a lot of black furniture and black accents in my home, so I thought that this would be perfect. There's a rooster here and a little chicken, and they're absolutely great. I thought I could use those year-round, so definitely thought that that was a great item to find. And then also some little pumpkins. I got 2 of these yellow pumpkins. This is one of my favorite colors, and I love the way that they look sort of like carved wood. They're actually just resin, but really, really cute. So I got 2 in yellow and then 1 in this white color. And then over in the home decor section, rather than like the dollar spot, they had these beautiful wooden pumpkins here. So I thought I would grab that. And then this cute little sign here looks like a little house. And it's interchangeable. There's 1 frame and 2 double-sided prints. So this side says this, so I could use it for a few seasons here. You can see all the different choices, and even a welcome home that you could just use year-round if you wanted to. So really cute little house sign there. And then I found 2 new blanket scarves. I love these both for just decorating as well as I actually use them when it's cold on the fall and winter mornings. I love wrapping these around my shoulders while I'm drinking my morning coffee. So got this cute print here, and then this beautiful fall plaid color. And they were only $5 this year, which I think is a little less than they were last year. So I was really excited about that, and to find 2 new really pretty prints. So those are the items that I've picked up at Target, just some fun things to kick off the fall season. I'm planning on doing a big fall cleanup and getting some projects going. So these were the items that I picked for the early fall. Lots of the supplies I needed and some fun little goodies to decorate the house with. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look at everything I picked up at Target. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more videos from April's Home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.